We often hear the phrase that we're living in a simulation, a holographic projection, but what does that even mean? And how could it be so? Well, in this Matrix Showdown, consciousness versus code, we explore and we discover the glitch secrets with our featured guests, David Icke, Neil Donald Walsh, and God, the creator of all that is. This week's show is all about revealing the deepest secrets of the Matrix, as well as God sharing her observations on spirituality and religion. We get to understand this final battle for consciousness and how to awaken dormant potential to transcend perceived limitations, and how the distorted reality that we are fed actually works. We discover how getting curious can transform our narrow bandwidth of senses. We learn how to turn passive observers into active creators, and how we break out of this matrix architecture frequency control for good, moving from separation into empowered unity to create our future. And of course, all wisdom gained is then encapsulated within a guided meditation, creative visualization, to enable us to embody the light of transformation that is seeding on the planet right now. Come and join us, Elevated Planet, putting the unity into community.